Claude has just launched slash goals, which they have completely copied from Codex. And today I'm going to tell you in detail on exactly how this works. If you look in their Twitter, they've mentioned Claude Code slash goal. It's super exciting, but now I'm going to run it and show you exactly what's the benefit. If you look at the example, they are mentioning all test pass and lint is clean. Now we're going to run our example and we're going to see if this is good and if it works or not. So first of all, I'm going to run Claude. This is going to open up Claude for me, Claude Code. And here I'm going to give it a goal. I'm going to assign goal, get me a viral script for a YouTube video explaining slash goal which Claude launched and copied from Codex. So this is exactly the goal that I've specified, and now Claude is going to give me exactly how to actually create this whole YouTube script. So you can automate any process with it, and the difference between prompting and exactly slash goal is that it does not stop. This maintains the state and it does not stop. For example, previously if you wanted to prompt an AI, then you have to write something and then wait for AI asks some questions and then you keep on answering, and 5 or 10 minutes later, if you leave a prompt, press enter, you come back, it's already asking you, hey, do you want to do it this way or that way? So that was a huge problem for everybody, and that is solved by having goal, because you could just specify slash goal and specify your task, and it finishes this whole task like a consultant. So just like imagine you have a virtual assistant or a consultant, and you assign that virtual assistant consultant, go figure this thing out and then come back to me and then show me the result. So that's what it is compared to the second option, where previously without this goal it was like a virtual assistant or a consultant who was always asking you for questions. If you assign him, hey, go figure out a YouTube thumbnail for me, that person is going to come back and ask, hey, do you want black color or blue color? So that was how AI was previously, but now with goal, you just assign it a task, make a thumbnail, it's automatically going to make it. And now let's look at this example on exactly how it looks like and what was the output. So this is the whole output that I got from it. The whole script has been properly written. The hook is OpenAI dropped Codex CLI 2 weeks later, Anthropic copied Claude Code, and they look suspiciously similar. So okay, this is excellent, because at the end of the day, it's making Codex and Claude fight with each other. So the script is really good. I'm not going to go deeper into this, but I want to mention what example are they giving. What's the huge benefit? Because similarities are wild. And CLI uses GPT 4.0 by default. It's finding all of these differences, but this is it. For example, if you have a goal, I'm just going to assign you what makes it different. For example, if you're building a web application, you could just specify, please create a Postgres database for my application, which is a clone of Airbnb, and you just have to press enter, and then it's automatically going to start creating it. It's not going to ask you any questions. It's going to figure everything out itself with the whole state management it figures out. So that's super powerful, and I feel like with this we could already see how the agents are going to go further, automate all the processes, and AI is not going to be cringe where it's always asking you for questions. If you like this, check out my YouTube channel, because I'm coming and making YouTube videos about every topic in Claude. And check out my school community, because we've got dedicated courses which teach you exactly how to build your mobile app, your web app, and to get customers for your product. So like and subscribe, and see you later.